This is a true war zone. How am I supposed to... Ah!
They're going the long way because there are a bunch of...
Idiots?
What's a... Yeah,
Oh no! I didn't get away in time.
Dodos.
I died.
Watch out, mystery. Might be a little close. What's the artillery looking like?
Okay. Guys, I'm sending in a bunch of civilians.
They're gonna die.
Okay. Then you want me to hold off?
Yes.
Thermite! Thermite! Fuck! Fudge! I did not get the thermite out in time. I die so much. I die for democracy. I live for freedom.